Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be learning CSS position properties and z-index properties. Watch this video till the end. CSS position. The position property specifies the place for any HTML element in the web page. Generally, we set top, bottom, right, left properties for setting the position of the element in the web page, but these property would not work if we do not set position property. There are different types of position values which include static, relative, absolute, fixed, sticky. After specifying the position property, we set the alignment for the element like top, bottom, right, left. CSS static. The static positioned elements are not affected by the top, bottom, left, and right properties. HTML elements are positioned static by default. Let's see quick demonstration. We will first create a div. Then we'll set position property to static. After setting the position property to static, then we will try to set properties like top and left, but this will not affect the element. Position, relative. An element with position, relative is positioned relative to its normal position. For example, if in case we set left 50px, after giving position, relative, the element will move 50px left from its current position. Let's see some quick demonstrations. Previously on keeping position static, noting changed, but now as we set position to relative, we could add changes by adding top, left, bottom, and right. Position absolute. An element with position absolute is positioned relative to its nearest positioned ancestors. However, if the positioned element has no positioned ancestors, it uses the document body and moves along with the page scrolling. Let's see some quick demonstration. For this we need to take two div, one for reference which we will set as position relative and other position absolute. Position fixed. An element with position fixed is positioned relative to the viewport, which means it always stays at the same place even if the page is scrolled. The top, right, bottom, and left properties are used to position the element. Let's see a quick demonstration. When we fix any div, it means that it will not go out of the frame even if we scroll. Position sticky. An element with position sticky is positioned based on the user's scroll position. An element with position sticky toggles between relative and fixed positioning depending on the scroll position. Let's see a quick demonstration. It is more or less similar to position fixed. In sticky, if we set the element to be at top 0, then it will not go out of the frame if we scroll down, and if we set bottom 0, then it will not go out of the frame when we scroll up. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.